Welcome to Extreme Weather Predictions Hail Maps. I am Derek Klein, and today we're going to show you just a general overview of how our maps work. Starting out, you can see this is the view that you'll have anytime that you access our map. The first thing you do, of course, will be log into the site. Once you're logged into the site, this will be the map that you'll view. Over on the left, you notice that we do have a menu. This menu shows just generally what the hail swaths are. So you can see the green square showing you where quarter to golf ball size hail has fallen. So anywhere really in this green swath, you have quarter to golf ball size hail possible. The red swaths, and you notice that as you click on them, it actually centers the map over the swath. But the red swaths are golf ball to tennis ball sized hail, and you can click on either swath and it will take you to each swath. And then the purple areas are tennis ball to softball sized hail, and this will stay the same for all of our maps that we do create. On this particular map, we also did some tornado tracks of an EF1 to EF2 damage. This is actually just a demo map, so this isn't an actual storm report, but typically, if there is a tornado track, we'll try to get the tornado report on there. Sometimes it takes a little bit longer to get the tornado track, but we will try to get those on there. And then also we had a small tornado that we drew on this particular map. Now, if you notice, we also have several dots that are plotted on the map, and each of these dots are actual storm reports. So these are reports that have been reported by the public or by storm spotters. You can click on those to get the latest details. You notice 3-inch hail, so we have golf ball size hail. We have let's be about hen egg size hail, softball size hail back in Lawrence, and some more golf ball size hail to the south at Topeka. So this is just a general knowledge of what the maps look like. Now, for best viewing, once you've familiarized yourself with the chart and you kind of know what you're looking at, would be to make the map in a larger view by clicking the over arrow at the top. It slides the chart or the legend out of the way, and then you're able to slide the map around and view it. Now over to the left, you notice you have a zoom bar where you can zoom the map in. Notice that we have it centered on the golf ball size hail. We can close that to make it center on whatever object that we want. But notice how the map expands and all the roads inside of the map actually show up, enabling you to see exactly which areas were affected. So you can see this is where the golf ball size hail was. If you click on that, we also had quarter size hail that was reported. This would be up by the Topeka airport. And so that's just a general view of how to zoom in on the map. Now, for best viewing, and especially if you're not familiar with the area, another neat tool that we have on the map is the satellite view. And this would enable you to see exactly what's on the ground. So you notice that the airport shows up very well from the satellite view. You also notice what looks to be a housing addition over here on the edge of the quarter to golf ball size hail, and just any general knowledge about. You can see the houses, you can see the farms, you can see all that information to really show you where to go and generate new business. Now, for best viewing, though, we recommend to use the Google Earth display. You can switch it over. Notice how it kind of tilts us back to the angle, so you can see in advance as to where you're going. You can use this toolbar up here to navigate yourself around. If you click on the blue part around the edge of it, it'll actually continue to tilt you and move you up and down and around. So what I like to do is just give myself a little bit of an angle, and then you can travel yourself up the hail swath to see exactly what areas were affected. In all of these areas, you would be able to continue to travel up, and notice that we get into the purple area, but then also notice how it begins to look like we're also being affected by some housing additions. So this might be an area that you would want to go and solicit new business or work on getting some new business. And you can tilt the screen back down so that way you're back over the top of it. You can also zoom the screen in by hitting the plus signs, which is another way of being able to get a little bit closer to see exactly what it is that you're looking at. Notice how close you can get once the image goes ahead and clears on up. You can get very close. You can see exactly all the individual houses. You can see the street names. And then once you've figured out where you want to go based off of what the map has provided you, you can actually switch it back over to the map version and zoom it back out just a little bit. And once you've done that, now all of a sudden we know the exact area that was affected, we know that this is a housing addition and that's where we want to go. So this is just a general tutorial of how our maps work and how to use the maps. And as always, you can always contact us at Extreme Weather Predictions if you have any questions or any comments or any suggestions that might help the maps make more sense or work better for you. Thank you, and we hope you enjoy our maps.